Welcome my student, well my people and well my student, all of you, sorry for you. Today, a Zion lesson in English language. 2000 years ago, world was sleeping at that time. Someone asked world, why is it raining? Why is it raining? World answer to that. May the entire world community live. May the entire world community live. He asked how. It was raining in the same country. It was raining in the same country. That country will be destroyed. That's why it rained all over the world. You want to understand, please. It was raining in the same country. That country will be destroyed. That's why it rained all over the world. And if there is no rainwater, not a single blood of crops will spot in the world. You all understand? And if there is not raining water, not a single blood of crops will spot in the world. So, the rain knows that all living things in the world must live. What I am saying, please, it is only English language. Over 2000 years ago, he said, Thirukural book. So, what is the rain? Why rain? Why is it raining? It is the answer to tell to Valo Burma, our God. Thank you very much, my student. Tomorrow, next, what is the stage? What is the meaning of sage? What was saying? All of the matter, tomorrow we will see that. Thank you very much, my student.